Planning a bathroom renovation in 2026? Before you spend thousands of dollars on new tiles, vanities, and fixtures, there's something you need to know. Many homeowners unknowingly make design mistakes that instantly make their bathrooms look outdated, cramped, and less luxurious. The worst part? Some of these mistakes are expensive to fix later. In today's video, we're revealing the most common bathroom design mistakes to avoid in 2026 and the smart alternatives that interior designers recommend. If you want a bathroom that feels modern, functional, and luxurious for years to come, keep watching. Let's get started. Visuals Luxury Bathroom Reveal Outdated Bathroom Examples Before and After Bathroom Transformations Modern Spa-Inspired Interiors Why Bathroom Design Matters. The bathroom is one of the most frequently used spaces in any home. A well-designed bathroom improves. Checkmark daily comfort, checkmark home value, checkmark functionality, checkmark visual appeal. In 2026, homeowners are focusing on creating spa-inspired spaces that combine beauty with practicality. Unfortunately, many people still follow outdated trends that negatively impact the overall design. Let's look at the mistakes you should avoid. Visuals Modern bathrooms showcase luxury hotel bathrooms, home renovation projects. Mistake number 1: Poor bathroom lighting. One of the biggest bathroom mistakes is relying on a single ceiling light. Poor lighting creates shadows, makes grooming difficult, and can make even beautiful bathrooms feel dull. Instead, designers recommend layered lighting. Combine ceiling lighting, wall sconces, LED mirrors, under cabinet lighting. Good lighting improves both functionality and atmosphere. The right lighting instantly makes a bathroom feel larger, brighter, and more luxurious. Visuals Crossmark Dark bathroom, crossmark single overhead light, checkmark LED mirror lighting, checkmark luxury layered lighting. Clapperboard Scene 4. Mistake number 2: Trendy tiles that age quickly. 315 to 430. Voiceover tiles are one of the most expensive bathroom elements to replace. That's why choosing overly trendy designs can become a costly mistake. Many bold patterns and unusual colors that look exciting today may feel outdated within a few years. Instead, choose timeless materials such as large format porcelain tiles, natural stone looks, marble inspired finishes, warm neutral colors. Timeless designs help your bathroom remain stylish for years. Visuals Crossmark Busy tile patterns, crossmark outdated colors, checkmark modern neutral tiles, checkmark luxury marble effect surfaces. Mistake number 3: Not enough storage. Nothing ruins a bathroom faster than clutter. Many homeowners underestimate their storage needs during renovations. The result? Countertops covered with everyday items. Instead, plan storage carefully from the beginning. Popular 2026 solutions include floating vanities with drawers, built-in niches, hidden cabinets, vertical storage systems. Good storage keeps the space organized and visually clean. Visuals Crossmark Cluttered countertops, crossmark overflowing cabinets, checkmark built-in storage, checkmark floating vanity designs. Mistake number 4: Tiny bathroom mirrors. Small mirrors are making bathrooms look smaller than they actually are. In modern bathroom design, bigger mirrors create a more spacious and luxurious appearance. Popular trends include full-width vanity mirrors, backlit LED mirrors, smart mirrors, frameless mirror designs. Large mirrors also reflect more light, helping the room feel brighter. Visuals Crossmark Small outdated mirror, checkmark large illuminated mirror, checkmark luxury smart mirror. Mistake number 5: Poor ventilation. Ventilation is often overlooked during bathroom renovations. However, poor airflow can lead to mold growth, excess moisture, unpleasant odors, damage to finishes. A modern ventilation system protects your investment and improves air quality. Never prioritize aesthetics over proper ventilation. Visuals Crossmark Moldy bathroom corners, crossmark condensation problems, checkmark modern exhaust systems, checkmark fresh, clean bathrooms. A beautiful bathroom isn't just about following trends. It's about making smart design decisions that improve both functionality and appearance. By avoiding these common bathroom design mistakes, you can create a space that feels modern, luxurious, and comfortable every day. Whether you're planning a complete renovation or making small upgrades, these tips can help you achieve a better result. Which bathroom mistake do you see most often? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more home renovation ideas, luxury interior inspiration, and modern design trends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Clapperboard end screen text shower. Avoid these bathroom mistakes in 2026. Sparkles. Subscribe for more luxury home design and amp decor inspiration. Sparkles.